Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can fix the issues that your iPhone touchscreen is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can fix that? Simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix that issue. So were you using your iPhone normally and suddenly you facing issue is your touchscreen is not working properly. So the first step is that you just have to just force restart your iPhone. Just press the volume up button and the power button and just press both to appear the iPhone Apple screen and gonna restart your iPhone and again on it. After you have just have to just on your iPhone, and the second step is that you just remove your screen protector, and after removing your screen protector you just have to just clean your screen. And after that, the third step is that fix to your overheating or moisture. You just have to just turn iPhone off again and remove the case and let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes. And after, keep away from the charger and also from the light. So after 10 to 50 minutes, you just turn on your phone and clean your screen properly. And the fifth step is that you just free up storage of your iPhone. Just going to the settings of your iPhone and just going to general section and it's going to the iPhone storage and try to remove unwanted files, unwanted apps from their iPhone storage. After that, the sixth step is you have to just update your iOS. So just go back and just going to the software update and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone, maybe iPad. After updating your iOS, you just have to just reset all settings. So if you don't know where you can reset your all settings, just scroll it down in the general section and see the option of a transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on a reset and reset all the settings from here. After doing that stuff, just going back and again off your iPhone and again on it. After that, your problem gonna solve. If problem not gonna solve, so you just have to just contact with the nearby mobile service and mobile repair center and tell them your problem. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tech related videos.